Well, those are two ways of doing essentially the same thing, and you can certainly use one or more of our players with amplifiers in a central rack, but you can also use this super cool player amplifier, which has a great form factor. It has keyhole slots on the side so that you can mount it under a shelf, you can mount it on a wall, you can mount it behind a TV, and then you can spread the amps out all over a facility to allow the network to get to the endpoints and have short speaker runs. You can also mount up to 6 of them in a 3 rack mount chassis if you want to put it in a rack to get a really dense, packed 6 powered zones in 3 RU, and it's super cost effective. So when we launched Bluesound Professional, we had the B160S, and that's a great product offering 60 watts into low impedance per channel as a stereo player amplifier. But part of the brand of Bluesound Professional is really to listen to our customers, and they were telling us they wanted something more. So in addition, we brought out the B170S, which has a variety of options, including 2 times 80 watts into low impedance, as well as 70 and 100 volt options. That allows more flexibility in the way you deploy speakers. So we've had a lot of requests for people wanting to use our player amps in back of house areas like toilets and kitchens, or in corridors where you typically string a number of speakers off one amplifier output. The constant voltage outputs, 70 volts for North America and 100 volts for the rest of the world, allow for that without having to worry about impedance considerations like you do in low impedance speaker deployments.